Listen, dear, there's so much to say. 1,000 words couldn't help me explain. I know you're scared it won't be the same. I promise you I'll always remain. The best of me is seen by your side. The best of you, I just can't decide. You seek the world, such a traveler at heart. 1,000 miles couldn't tear us apart. So please don't go. My heart grows cold at the thought you're out of sight. You're never off my mind. And now I know that the hardest part was just watching you go. Watching you go. Watching you go. Listen, dear, please let me explain. There's so much wrong, but there's no one to blame. I find it hard that we left it so well. It's just a break, not an end in itself. I'm so naive that I thought I'd be fine. You're coming home in 8 months' time. And as they said, it will make us so strong. But just a day is a day too long. So please don't go. My heart grows cold at the thought you're outside. You're never off my mind. And now I know that the hardest part was just watching you go. Watching you go. Watching you go. Watching you go. So please don't go. My heart grows cold at the thought you're out of sight, but you're never off my